Hi beautiful people, today I'm going to show you two simple ways to weigh your thread on a bobbin and how to fix it correctly in your bobbin case for a perfect stitch every time. Most of us actually do this the hard way, but I will show you an easier method that will save you time and make your sewing smoother. Let's go. The first method is called manual reeling. First, let's start with the method most of us already use. Grab your bobbin, twist the thread around it a few times, then hold it with a rod, stick, or even your bobby case, whatever you're comfortable with. Personally, I like using a rod because it gives me more control. Now go ahead and weigh your thread just like this. Let's dive into the second method. This method is using the wheel winder. Now here is the easiest method that many people don't know about. Using your wheel winder, fix your bobbin onto the wheel winder. Then press it gently to make sure it's stable. Reel your thread around the bobbin a few times with your hand. Then press your machine pedal. As your balance wheel rotates, your bobbin automatically reels the thread. Easy and smooth. Once your bobbin is full, remove it and let's move to the next step. Then get your bobbin and fix it correctly into the bobbin case. Fix it correctly into the bobbin case before fixing it to your machine. Let me show you the best way to fix your bobbin in the bobbin case for a neat and even stitch. Fix your bobbin into the bobbin case as shown. Then watch. If your bobbin is rotating anti-clockwise, just like we are seeing in this video, that is wrong. It's not the right way to fix your bobbin into the bobbin case. Let me show you the correct way to fix your bobbin into the bobbin case. The correct way is when your bobbin rotates clockwise. This ensures your stitches comes out nice and balanced. And that's it. You have just learned two easy ways to read your bobbin and how to fix it the right way. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other fashion lovers